how cute.
Assistant, we're at Toy Fair, and Chase showed us where all the puppies are at, right?
Yeah.
It's a special hidden puppy room.
We're at Toy Fair, and I heard there was a giant booth full of puppies.
That's right. It says there's a whole area full of nothing but puppies here at Toy Fair. But here's the problem.
We don't know where it is.
And Toy Fair is so big.
Yeah.
All right, let's look for those puppies.
Okay.
Sister, who's this?
For real, Daisy.
Hi, Daisy. So what do you do with Daisy?
Pet Daisy's back.
Okay, okay.
Head's blue.
All right, Daisy. Oh, look. Look how big she is. Whoa.
Awesome.
Oh. So that's a good Daisy. Can you try it one more time? How does you just pet Daisy in the back?
Right here. The head moves.
The head's moving. All right. Oh, and then she does a yoga. Oh, super cool, super cool.
Awesome.
That is awesome. While searching for the puppies, the assistant found this enormous gorilla chair. Look at how big it is. Would you sit in the gorilla chair? Do you think that the gorilla chair might try to grab her? No, it's just a regular chair. She had her picture taken.
Awesome.
Now it's on to find those puppies.
Are the dogs in here?
I don't know. Let's look. Look at all these cool little video games.
Pac-Man.
Oh, look at the little soda machine. Let's see if it works.
Oh, it does.
Well, look at that. Look.
A little Pepsi can came out. That's great.
Hey, look. You thirsty? Here, you can have some.
One sip worth.
Let's get another Pepsi. Oh, there's another
my
one.
Goodness.
Oh, and look.
That's hilarious.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Oh, I remember all these games. Elevator Action was one of my favorites. Right there. Oh, and 7-Up.
That one has 7-Ups come out of it too.
Wow. Oh, and Space Invaders is one of the very first ever arcade games.
Yeah. I didn't know that, but yeah.
That's why I'm here to help you. All right, so let's go look for those puppies, okay?
Okay.
Okay, the assistant's playing Skip It. Oh, good.
All right. Nice.
You got it, yeah.
Good job.
It takes you a while to find your rhythm once you get started.
You guys got natural on your hands.
Oh, hey, pretty good though.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Thank you.
Great job. Good job, good job, good job. So the assistant's doing Skip to 1 million. And how many did she do?
Like 5.
Let's say 26.
26! You're almost there. Ish.
There.
Let's play some miniature golf at Toy Fair.
No. 3. Oh, that was a good one. 2. Last one. Oh, go in.
So close.
2.
Good job, assistant, but we now have to keep doing what?
Looking for the puppies.
Finding those puppies.
Yeah. Look at all these different plushes. There's so many different ones. And this Pringles, it opens up. See the zipper? Wait, hold on. And there's actually Pringles inside.
Whoa. And look, there's Twix and all kinds of different cereals.
And then this giant shopping cart, or regular size shopping cart.
Look at that shopping cart. What else in there?
Hot dogs, right?
Hot dogs, yep.
Hot dogs.
Oh,
Trix,
Cheez-Its.
Cheez-Its. Marshmallows. Ooh, and my favorite, Oreos.
You like Oreos, don't you?
Yeah.
So what is your favorite thing? Oh, and there's the Kool-Aid Man.
Huh.
Look at the Kool-Aid Man right there.
Oh, nice.
Did you ever see him bust through a Lunchables?
Nice.
Wow.
My favorite thing here is probably the Cheez-Its. I like Cheez-Its.
You like Cheez-Its? I think I like the Eggo waffles.
Oh, Eggo waffles. Oh, and they have Lunchables.
I know. Way cool, assistant. Assistant, you're playing around, but we gotta find puppies.
I know.
Oh, look at this Calico Critters area.
Super cool. And there's a bed over here. I'll show you.
Really? Oh yeah. Ooh, look.
Super comfortable.
They got milk and some cookies and a cupcake. Oh yeah. And look, it's with a book. What's the name of the book?
Calico Critters, the World of Calico Critters, the official guide.
Oh wow. So you can actually read
Read a story.
read a story to your calico critter.
Oh, this one's reading a story.
Oh yeah, sitting in the rocking chair.
The robe.
Oh, look at their little backpack down there. Oh, assistant.
What?
This bunny's got a plate of cookies.
And pretzels. Ooh, that looks yummy.
Ooh, like little shortbreads, right?
Yeah.
So these are some fun looking rabbits, but they're not what?
Puppies.
They're not puppies. We need to go find those puppies. So assistant, we're at the ore booth. What do you see that you like?
Habalicious. And do you see all these? Look how satisfying.
Oh my gosh, can you imagine these
It's
for
fuzzy,
Easter?
and then they're sticky too, but they don't leave a residue. So that's
They don't leave a residue. That's awesome.
see. Whoa, they stick to each other,
And then there's this giant paw. And they
Oh my gosh.
It feels so nice. It's hard to describe how cool it feels.
Oh, these little right here. These are the Tabalicious, right?
Oh yeah.
And then look, there's oh my goodness, like desserts. Oh, the bunny.
Oh, look at the bunny. Oh, assistant, that is so cool.
We are just scratching the surface of the orb booth right now too.
Yep.
Pretty cool.
Oh, look at this.
So look at all of these.
He's like crazy.
Awesome. Whoa, they're so sticky.
It's on my hand.
It's fun to feel them. Look, it's stuck. Wait.
So look at all these. This is like a giant peanut.
Yeah, and then we have lots of cakes. Oh, here's a mushroom maybe?
It is.
Oh, hearts. Maybe like cookies.
Oh yeah.
And then a bunny on a pillow.
Awesome. I got sidetracked when looking for the dogs. Look at this stretchy banana.
Whoa.
Whoa. Super awesome.
It's enormous. Here, let
Does
me
it
see.
look like a smile?
It does look like a smile. I'll pull. Ready? Whoa! Look at that. It went flying. That's awesome.
Super cool.
Before we could go any further in looking for those puppies, the assistant had to make a video. She made a video at the Kawaii Slime Company where she had her very first job. That's right, she had to work in the Kawaii Slime and do a bunch of challenges, and it finished with her making ice cream at their ice cream booth. It was all slime, but it was a lot of fun. Make sure you check out this video because, hey, I'd hate for you to miss this one. After that, we went on our search again to look for those puppies. I'll give you a hint. We're getting pretty close now. Look, assistant, bitty. They are what?
Tiny.
Tiny Funko Pops. So we've got a Minion. Which one's your favorite? Do you have a favorite?
King Bob. King Bob.
Oh, King Bob down
King
there.
Bob. For sure, King Bob.
Man, there's a lot of, there's Wally. And Sadness.
Definitely King Bob. Or Mummy Stewart. Carl.
Carl from
Up. Eve. Is it Eve or Evie?
I think it's Eve. Ooh. Hey, those are pretty cool. Those would actually fit in surprise bags from back in the day. We're still trying to find those dogs. Where could they be?
I'm gonna play some pinball.
Yeah. Oh, that's at Toy Fair too, right?
2 players.
Oh, look at that dragon.
Okay, here I go.
Oh, I never chose the character. Oh.
That's a cool looking dragon out there. Look at that dragon.
It's doing something up there.
Gabby said to talk to Chase.
Yeah, because Chase knows where the puppies are at, right?
Right, let's go.
Just getting a little crowd.
So nice meeting you, Chase. Do you know where the dogs are at?
The dogs?
Puppies?
Are there some puppies right? Oh,
Yeah, the puppies are over there.
oh, the puppies are right
Let's go
here.
see
Sis-
'em.
Let's go see them.
Okay, thank you, Chase.
You said the puppies are where?
Over here.
Really? Let's go look.
Here are the puppies.
Assistant, really? You need to get inside, don't you?
Yeah, let's go.
Assistant, who's that puppy?
It looks like Wiggles, doesn't it?
It looks like Waddle. Oh, she wants to pick him up.
Look how cute.
Assistant, we're at Toy Fair, and Chase showed us where all the puppies are at, right?
Yeah.
It's a special hidden puppy room. Aw, what a cute puppy. Hello, guy. Do you think Waffles and Waggles and Wiggles would like this puppy?
Yeah, I think so.
Puppy, can you shake? Oh, give me kisses. Oh. Hey, what are you doing, puppy? Assistant, is this the puppies that Chase showed us?
Yeah, look.
Oh.
That was really cuddly. Hi.
You just asked that lady with the red.
Look at this one.
Oh, what's your name, though?
Hold on just a second.
So we found all the dogs at
Toy
Toy Fair. So thanks to Chase for helping us find the doggies, right?
Right.
Look at all these puppies. Do you know the name of the... What are you trying to eat her watch band?
Oh.
Oh, they're playing. So, assistant, we found all the dogs at the Toy Fair. Real dogs.
Yeah.
Is that fun?
Super fun.
What should people at home do now?
Like this video.
That's right.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.